Welcome back. Today, we're getting very clear about what should never go into your shipment. There are certain categories of items that are either restricted, prohibited, or simply not worth the risk. Let's talk about it. Hazardous materials are at the top of the list. Paint, fuel containers, propane tanks, and certain cleaning chemicals can't be included in your shipment. Even partially used containers sitting in a garage can cause issues if they're packed accidentally. Food is another big one. While it may feel comforting to bring familiar pantry items, many food products are restricted or subject to inspection. Fresh food, open containers, and organic materials can easily trigger delays or rejection. Then there are controlled items like firearms or ammunition. These require special approvals and are generally not advisable for standard household moves. The key takeaway is simple. Just because you own it doesn't mean it can or should be shipped internationally. Knowing this ahead of time saves you from last-minute surprises on packing day. Are you not sure if something in your home should be shipped? You should call us 844-651-7050 to get expert guidance before packing begins.